Is that true the Zeiss optic lens yang ada pada Vivo X60 series ni power ke hanya sekadar propa? Kalau you guys nak tahu, make sure you guys watch this video camera test untuk Vivo X60 series ni sampai habis. Wait, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel too. Thanks! Hi guys, I'm Z from DirectDMedia. We all terima banyak request from you guys from our Vivo X60 series full review video last time untuk we all do the camera test and comparison for this hottest Vivo smartphone. Seems like you guys semua nak sangat tahu and teruja nak tengok how the Zeiss optic lens works on this Vivo X60 series. Well, don't worry, we hear you. Anyway, for those yang masih belum tengok full video review untuk Vivo X60 series, let me tell you something. For your information, untuk model Vivo X60 series ni, Vivo collaborate dengan Zeiss for the imaging system. Means Vivo bekerjasama dengan Zeiss bagi mencipta mobile imaging technology untuk flagship smartphone mereka. What can I say? One of the biggest selling points untuk Vivo X60 series ni obviously adalah the camera itself. A bit about the camera system and design. The pretty minimal bump at the Vivo X60 series ni here gets a triple rear camera which consists of 48 megapixel main shooter alongside a 13 megapixel super wide angle snapper and also 13 megapixel for portrait shooter. While at the front, here, it has 32 megapixel size for the selfie camera. Means there's no big difference lah in terms of megapixel size for X60 Pro dan juga X60. Actually, sebenarnya ada je sedikit kelainan lah untuk X60 dan juga X60 Pro. The difference that we can get is dekat X60 Pro adalah it has the most stable built-in gimbal stabilization 2.0 features berbanding hanya OIS pada X60. I tak nak komen banyak lah because I know all of you tak sabar nak tengok hasil kualiti gambar for each mode untuk this Vivo X60 series and I can't wait to show you guys the result for the camera test for both models. Let's check it out. guys, what do you think about the camera performance for Vivo X60 and Vivo X60 Pro? Honestly, I suka kedua-dua camera performance because dua-dua menghasilkan gambar yang tip-top. Do you think the photography redefined tagline suit it? Let us know your thought in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Stay safe and goodbye.